Hello everybody, a little video for those who are willing to remove and put back a dashboard from Jaguar X300, and I guess for the XJ40 it will be the same. So to remove that, the dashboard is whole. You must remove first of all the airbag module at the back. I have a video for that. I will put the link in the description. It's held by some screws. As you can see, this bracket, there is 2 screws here that you have to remove. This bracket is bolted on the body. You have 1 small screw here to remove, and it's hold the dashboard by this bracket from here to there. At the back of the airbag, like you can see on the picture, there is 1 bracket who is attached to the body also. There is no in this side, and you have also the 2 bolts that I talk about the opposite side here, and the same small screw here to hold the dashboard by this second bracket. When you put back that, it's there is no specially close. What I mean, there is not specially guide. If ever you have to remove this bracket from the body, better to put back before, then you can support the dashboard on it. It will be easier for you, especially if you're alone. Obviously same in the opposite side. And then what you have to be careful when you push the dashboard, it's this air vent. I don't know if you can see well, but this air vent is, this section of the air vent is larger than the one attached to the dashboard. So don't forget to really push the section on the dashboard inside this air vent, or you will have a problem with the aircon, with the heater, and you will have to remove again all the dashboard and center console to fix that. And if I can advise you, put all the screw all around without tightening them, set your dashboard, and only after that install your airbag, connect all the plugs, and only after that try to set your center console, and only after that you can tighten all the screws. So hope so this small video was helpful for you. See you next time. Cheers.